Carbon dioxide is an odourless, colourless gas that will not burn or support combustion. It's used in a variety of industries, ranging from manufacturing to hospitality. Carbon dioxide is available as a welding-grade general-purpose shielding gas, where atmospheric contamination needs to be counted. In the hospitality and food industries, it is used for beer dispensing, post-mix soft drink dispensing, sparging, curing, and gas atmosphere for preservation of packaged foods. This inert gas's characteristics also makes it a key ingredient in fire extinguishers. Carbon dioxide is available from Afrox in a dark green cylinder. Visit afrox-gas.co.za to explore the best and most cost-effective solution, or contact our call centre on 0860 02 0202.